Well, we have Dr. Heaton Lakhani here with us today from Global Laser Vision. And you guys have been open since year 2000, and you've done 45,000
We've done
surgeries.
45,000 surgeries between the two of us, myself and Dr. Yaghouti, my other partner at the practice.
LASIK surgery. Okay. I've had 20, I think I've had 2015 vision my whole life.
Okay, very good.
It's possible to have 2015. I'm not just kidding myself, right?
No, you're not kidding. 2015 is a possibility, and now with our laser technology, we can get a lot of people to 2015, more so than we've ever had before.
Really? Is that better than perfect? What does that mean?
Well, 20/20 is the gold standard of what good vision normally is, and that's what everyone thinks of when they think of perfect vision. And usually the bottom number, the lower the bottom number, the better the vision. The worse the bottom number, the worse the vision.
So does it matter which one's close, which one's far, kind of?
Well, before the age of 40, everything we talk about mostly is distance vision. And so when you're 2015, you're better than 20/20, which is what the majority of people normally are. Nowadays, with our technology, we can actually get a good 65 to 70% of the people to the 2015 stage, so similar to what you are.
Really? But what about the other percentage of the people?
The other percentage still gets to 20/20, even the good quality 20/20 vision, so it's still excellent.
Okay, a person like me, I've had perfect vision my whole life. I found myself the other day, you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
I down at Petco Park doing my little pregame show thing down there, going like this. Trying to read something. I was like, oh no, seriously, I hope nobody saw me doing that. So I'm thinking, let's say that my vision's not perfect. Can I just go straight to LASIK? Do I have to get glasses first and then go to LASIK? How does that work?
Oh, good question. No, you can come really to any facility to have a full exam. What we'll do is you go through a gathering of information process. You kind of figure out who we are, we figure out what your needs are. And that could be anything in the range of just needing good distance vision, or going for reading issues, or having other problems in terms of cataracts and things like that.
You can do all that?
You can do all that on a normal exam. The people that are involved are ophthalmologists, and so we have the ability of giving a full eye exam and really letting you know where you stand.
Okay. LASIK. Let's talk about that, because what is it? Is it like it's like a laser surgery?
Well, LASIK is actually doing laser and allowing for laser to actually etch out tissue on your corneal surface, or on the surface of the eye. And by changing the surface of the cornea, you can actually change the dynamics of how vision comes to your eye in terms of clarity.
How in the world do you do the surgery yourself? You're the guy.
I'm one of the surgeons, correct, yes.
You're the guy. And are you nervous? Are you nervous? I mean, you've got all these different types of eye problems. You've got I mean, the eye must have a million different dynamics in it.
They do. There are tons of books written on the eye in general, but what we do is we do a full exam that actually caters and lets people know if they have cataracts or glaucoma or other issues that can keep them from having surgery. But if they have a normal, complete eye exam, then surgery is not an issue for them.
Okay, so you're not worried when you're doing it. You have a laser, you're fine.
We're totally fine.
Steady hand.
Steady hand.
That's what I want to hear.
Well, the lasers now actually have accuracy where they can actually etch out an accurate amount of tissue that correlates with your prescription. So
is that how it's all evolved? I mean, because it's kind of been around for a few years now.
It has been around since 1980s, but over the past 5 years, we've really had tremendous advancement that allows us to actually customize our approach to each individual eye and create a pattern that's specific to your needs.
So that's it really has gotten specific on what you can do.
Tremendously better. Things such as night glare have almost been eliminated, because those are the issues that people used to have before. Vision can get to 2015 better than what you've ever had with your glasses or contact lenses before. I
have heard through the grapevine, because I haven't actually been to your office, because I'd like to still think that I have 2015 vision. And you and I are friends and everything, but I'm still, I don't need to come into the office. I hear you have this really great office.
We do. Our office is in Mission Valley, right across the street from Fashion Valley Mall, and we have basically the state-of-the-art technology in terms of the diagnostic tools we use and the lasers that we use. So you come in for a full exam, we go through all the process, and you get a chance to meet the four of us. There are 4 physicians, 2 surgeons, and you have access to either one of us anytime that you need.
You know what I like? I think that the whole idea of LASIK surgery has just been a little nerve-wracking for people. I mean, you have to have, but like you seem like you're calm and you're collected and you're confident and you have this nice calm voice. It just seems to me like it would be a comfortable place to go.
Thank you. It is. And the thing about LASIK surgery is that it's so easy nowadays in terms of for the patient that the fear of going through surgery with your eyes should not be there.
I just don't want to walk in and see one of the doctors drinking a big cup of coffee. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
don't want a shaky hand. Okay.
Not in our practice.
1-800-GET-LASIK, 1-800-438-5274, or go to the internet, globallaservision.com. Dr. Lakhani, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much, Chrissy. Very nice to see you.
Here.
Thank you, too.
And maybe I can get an eye exam.
You can definitely come in anytime.
You give the eye exams, yes.
I do give the eye exams, correct.
And is it still the thing with the E's and the M's?
We do a much more careful exam.
Oh, do you really?
Yes, we do.
You think with the technology, the lasers and everything, that you'd be a little better than that?
That's
Okay,
correct.
thanks, Dr. Lakhani.
Thank you.